Let's be realistic here. The reality is that the majority of us don't earn millions of dollars annually, nor are we likely to stumble upon a substantial inheritance. However, this does not mean that we can't attain that luxurious financial freedom we want. The advice of billionaire Charlie Munger does come in handy here. Stay tuned as we explore your financial journey to freedom in 5 easy steps. Don't underestimate your worth. Many people display unwavering loyalty to their employers, dedicating years of service without witnessing a significant increase in their income. However, this approach may prove to be a mistake, as enhancing your income serves as a remarkable catalyst for bolstering your savings. Hence, it's crucial to maintain a vigilant outlook for alternative opportunities and avoid undervaluing yourself. By working diligently and seeking an employer who appreciates and rewards your work ethic, skills, and experience, you can unlock the potential for higher compensation. Always remember it's essential to advocate for your own worth and pursue avenues that offer suitable recognition and financial growth. Let's face it, becoming a millionaire isn't a stroke of luck that can be achieved through winning the lottery or relying on unforeseen circumstances. The path to millionaire status is paved with diligent effort and hard work. Relying on luck to bring a sudden financial windfall will only postpone the opportunity to build wealth over time. Consequently, if your goal is to accumulate $1 million, it's essential to increase your income, whether it's through your primary job or a side hustle. It's important to assess whether you're being compensated adequately for your skills and contributions. Many employers won't automatically give you a raise simply because you've spent another year with the company. If you desire a salary increase, you need to take the initiative and ask for one. How do you do this? Well, before approaching your employer, compile a list of reasons that justify why you deserve a raise. Highlight your accomplishments over the past year and how they've positively impacted your boss or the company as a whole. While securing a raise is commendable, it might not result in a significant increase in the money you take home. On average, raises tend to be around 3%. If your aim is to earn more money, it's advisable to consider changing jobs regularly. In fact, statistics show that individuals who change jobs every 2 years earn approximately 50% more over the course of their careers compared to those who remain in the same position for an extended period. Therefore, if you receive a job offer from a new employer, avoid accepting the initial salary offer without question. Familiarize yourself with the earning potential of similar positions in your vicinity and be prepared to negotiate for better compensation and additional perks. Charlie Munger comments, "What are the secrets of success? One-word answer: rational. And being rational is knowing your self-worth." Earn more. The truth is, many of us have some time to spare that we don't fully utilize. If you find yourself spending around 5 hours a day watching TV or scrolling through social media, you can redirect some of that time towards activities that generate additional income. If the goal is to grow your wealth, it's essential to make use of those extra hours. Having multiple income streams is highly recommended for everyone. The reality is that you could unexpectedly lose your job through circumstances beyond your control. In such situations, having alternative sources of income becomes crucial. Even if we have an emergency fund set aside, the thought of not having any money coming in can be unnerving. Diversifying our income streams helps mitigate the risk of relying solely on a single source of income and provides a safety net during uncertain times. Hence, by identifying opportunities to earn extra money during our free hours, such as starting a side business, freelancing, or investing, you can gradually build up additional income streams. Fun fact, this not only boosts your financial security, but also accelerates your journey towards achieving your wealth-building goals. Certainly, aiming high and becoming an entrepreneur by starting your own business while working full-time is an ambitious endeavor. However, it's important to acknowledge that it requires a considerable amount of time and effort before the business begins generating profits. Bear in mind, though, that despite the initial challenges, the potential benefits can make it worthwhile. One option with relatively low startup costs is creating a niche website. This involves identifying a specific area of interest or expertise and building a website that caters to that niche audience. By providing valuable content, products, or services tailored to the niche, you can attract a dedicated following and monetize the website through various means, such as advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Incorporate a budget into your routine. Understanding the state of your finances is crucial because what you measure is what you can effectively manage. Merely earning a substantial income won't lead to financial success if you lack the awareness of how you allocate and utilize that money wisely. While a budget doesn't possess mystical powers to directly control your spending habits, it serves as a valuable tool to hold you accountable and provide a clear overview of where your money is being directed. Don't know how to start? How about employing the 50-30-20 rule? That is, 50% for essential expenses and necessities, 30% for discretionary spending and personal preferences, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. While on the lane of monitoring your spending, how about considering owning your own home? Renting a home or apartment is a common choice for many individuals who may not have the means to purchase a property or prefer flexibility in deciding where to settle for the long term. And in such situations, renting is a reasonable option. However, it is important to recognize that renting does not typically offer the same long-term investment benefits as owning a home, primarily due to the potential to build equity. Buying a home can be a valuable strategy for building equity over time. When you make a down payment and secure a mortgage, you begin to establish ownership and gradually increase your stake in the property. As you make mortgage payments, a portion goes towards paying off the principal amount, which helps build equity. This equity represents a portion of your home's value that you truly own, rather than owe to the lender. While renting may seem financially convenient in the short term, if you have intentions of staying in one place for a longer duration, it is generally more advantageous to consider purchasing a home. By doing so, you have the opportunity to accumulate equity and lay the groundwork for a future nest egg. This equity can be accessed through various means, such as selling the property or utilizing home equity loans. Financial investment in the real estate market. Investing undoubtedly holds immense importance and can be a defining factor in achieving significant financial milestones, such as becoming a millionaire or billionaire. It represents a vital step in your personal finance journey and plays a pivotal role in attaining long-term financial success. One of the key factors that make investing so impactful is the power of compounding over time. The earlier you begin investing and harness the potential of compounding, the greater the acceleration towards your goal of amassing wealth. Now, what is compounding? Well, compounding refers to the process of generating earnings on both the initial investment and the accumulated returns, thereby accelerating the growth of your wealth. By starting to invest early, you allow your money more time to grow and benefit from the compounding effect. As you consistently invest over time, the returns you earn on your investments are reinvested, generating additional returns. This compounding effect can significantly amplify your wealth accumulation and accelerate your journey towards achieving financial milestones. You probably have heard that real estate is an excellent avenue for generating passive income, and indeed it holds true. Owning a rental property can be a lucrative long-term investment strategy. However, it's important to note that you need not solely rely on purchasing a house and renting it out to reap the financial benefits of real estate. Protect your wealth. Now that you are making an effort to increase your total net worth, you need to protect it. That way, you'll preserve your earnings. Having adequate insurance coverage may not make you wealthy overnight, but it can safeguard your financial well-being by preventing the depletion of your assets in various scenarios. Have you thought about the benefits of life insurance? It can provide a safety net for your family by replacing lost income and helping you fund important goals, like your children's college education. One approach to consider is combining term insurance and permanent insurance, which can help lower the overall cost while providing comprehensive coverage. Another important type of insurance to consider is disability insurance. Did you know that throughout your career, you are more likely to experience a long-term disability than to pass away? Disability insurance can provide financial protection during such difficult times, ensuring you have a source of income if you're unable to work. Additionally, there's liability umbrella insurance, which offers an extra layer of protection. It covers liabilities that go beyond what other policies may include, safeguarding your assets, wages, and investments from damages. The coverage is especially valuable in case of unforeseen circumstances that could lead to costly legal claims. Munger's advice: it's not supposed to be easy. Anyone who finds it easy is stupid. The path to financial freedom is not an easy one, but with hard work, the reward at the end is guaranteed. Our channel has a mission to provide financial education to everyone, regardless of their background or current financial situation. Interested in knowing Munger's advice on how to stop stupid spending? Then click on the video on the screen now.